floating overhead. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, barking all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for grapes, sweet and small. H is for hat, hanging on the wall.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jam, a fruity treat. K is for kite, flying high in the air. L is for lion with a mighty glare.
M is for monkey, swinging on a tree. N is for nest, where birds love to be. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for parrot, colorful and bright.
Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, a smile upside down. S is for star, twinkling above. T is for turtle, slow but full of love.
U is for umbrella in the rain or sun. V is for violin, playing for fun. W is for whale, deep in the sea.
X is for X-ray, for bones we see. Y is for yak with long shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, striped everywhere.